BAIN TV. I'm your host, Barren, and I screwed up and went to the wrong transition screen or whatever. In any case, we're going to play some Vocaloid music. I'll reduce the volume down. We're just getting some ambiance going. And a little bit more. That should be good, right? I can hear some ambiance music. And we're going to be playing nothing today. We are working on our project. Trying to get ourselves back up and running properly. Now we just need to move this. Yeah, we could disconnect this, I think. Yeah, that caused no issue. Okay, cool. Alright, so, what we were working on last time... Okay, hold on a second, can you see that? Oh yeah, okay. Just making sure it's active. Okay, what just happened? Undo whatever I just did. Oh, I must have zoomed out or something. Yeah, nothing changed. Okay, let's see. Ah, yes, last time we were live, we went ahead and we were fixing the menus. So we go into player menu, player 1, character, and here we see the variables. If we would go into game, this is what we're working on right now. You need format, pitch, and sensitivity fixed. Okay, yeah, it's underneath character. No, it's underneath HUD. HUD and menu. Menus. Streamer options. Underneath voice changer. Voice change toggle for mod settings. Click here. Go to the slider. Take a look here. The slider does affect the character. We need to change this to... Alright, let's add an option. Alright. For mods... setting. Alright, now the format setting is not a drop down, it's going to be a slider. So we click slider, and we add the pick format in the menu. And we go with the slider. The slider text is the format value text. Alright, the current value and the default value, 1.2. 0.2. Okay, now with this one here, this affects the voice change, which is underneath the voice change module. Function, voice change filter, format. Cool, so that's the first one set. The next one we need to do, add, and right here where it says format, we're going to change this one to pitch. Pitch setting. The pitch setting I screwed that up. We need to, okay, here, we can just easily get back to it by clicking here. And we should be able to just click on this. Pitch settings. Pitch settings. Slider. Okay, pitch slider, it starts out at 2. 2.0. And And this one also affects voice change filter, but instead it's pitch. We also need to change the pitch value text here. Alright. Transcriptions was next. Add options. I added one too many. So here, underneath pitch, we're going to change this to transcription sensitivity. I think I spelled it right. And we need to go to transcription menu. Slider for sensitivity. We're going to change the name of that. But first, we're going to go ahead and set up the sensitivity. I need communication manager, transcription module, drop that down here. Real-time transcriber, set sensitivity. Okay, sensitivity is not going to default at 1. So we need to change a few things on that. This is where we're going to start. .015. What happened? Oh, I'm on the wrong screen again, okay. Go here, and we're going to change this to transcription sensitivity. Alright, by default, we're going to have it set up to be 0.015. Let's take a look at the slider. The minimum value is going to be 0.0009. And the highest value will be 0.1, I think. So the default value, 0.15. Okay. Now let's reduce this down to 0.9. And increase this up to 0.1. Nope, we're gonna do 0.9. 0.1. Oops. That should be good, I think. As long as the value ends up whatever this is, so above this, the transcription will kick in. Alright, cool. Pulling up the right item. Character. Transcription, and the current slider value, 0.015. We'll have that also be the default. That should fix that one, and then finally we need to get started with the avatar selection. The avatar selection is what we're going to have to spend a decent amount of time on, I think. Let's test what we currently have. It's gonna take a few moments to trigger. Go in here, and let's go take a look first at oh, it's gonna be my character. Okay. Voice change module? Okay. So we look over here at the voice change module right there. Close enough. Next up, we need to go and take a look at transcription. There it is, VAD threshold. I hate that the sensitivity does not adjust properly. It doesn't show decimal values the right way. I gotta figure out how to fix that. In the meantime, here, let's go ahead and take a look at how would I... Let's see if we can open up a Opera panel, and I'm gonna go and ask Unity Text Mesh Pro Decimal. Okay, no, it's not gonna be that one. We're gonna have to see. Decimals are going to be set up. Text, okay. Alright, float on hint to TMT Pro. Money counters that, no. See, I want more precision with the numbers. We're looking at TextMesh Pro. Okay, we're going to take down Unity for Unity. TextMesh Pro, float precision. Force low precision fault. No. You know what? I screw it. We're gonna leave it as it is. It's not like I really need to have precise. I know that as long as I go further to the left, the number gets smaller, which means it's more likely to pick something up. So I know it'll pick something up more likely if I'm down here as opposed to over here. Alright, avatar selection. Yeah, I don't know why. I really don't care anymore. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get out of this. Alright, so, 2D avatars. Our main character is the 3D avatar. That will always be necessary, but we also have in the communications module avatar selection display, live 2D, overlay 2.5, and avatar 3D overlay. We need to make some adjustments to that. Let's go ahead and save this once more so that we don't have to worry about the thing breaking on us. We are going to add in live 2D. Okay, so we have the live 2D project, Cubism. Here, click on here, and let's drag this down. Live 2D, Cubism, samples. What I'm going to do is, in the sandbox, we're going to create a new game object, create an empty. We're going to put 2D avatar. Same with the 2.5D. Game object, create empty. 2.5D avatar. Okay. For the 2D avatar, let's grab models, rice. Is rice the one I wanted? We're going to drag rice into 2D avatar slot. Let's go into the scene. And let's take a look at rice. Okay, yeah, rice was a good one to have. Now, it looks completely distorted, and it should. Because we're using a 3D camera to view a 2D space. A 2D object. That's the problem. So we're going to be fixing that. I think these menus are probably going to be in the way. I wonder. Does the game even see that? Actually, okay, let's turn off this menu first. We need to move these spaces into a different area. Menu. Let's go into the menu, and we're going to turn the streamer options off for now. That should remove it from over here. Now, let's see, where should we put the 2D avatars? 2D avatar and 2.5D avatar. Let's go ahead and send it all the way up into space. Let's do 500Z. So everything's up in the 500 range. Let's change this one back to 0. Now if we go and zoom in there. Wait. It looks like it's on the grid still. Oh, Y. It's on the Y variable. Okay. Here, and grab... How do we grab just the... There we go. That's better. 500Y. You know, let's go 5,000Y. Just get it, like, way out there. That way there's no chance of it ever showing up. Go to rice. Here's rice. We don't need a grid. So, in order for this to work, we need to create a camera. This is going to be the live 2D camera. Let's find with that camera. let's go ahead and set this camera. We should have a texture for it now as well, I think. Yeah, see, we got a live 2D texture just for this thing. Okay, cool. So that will make it so that it will appear on this live 2D texture. We need to set the camera. Let's set it up on display too. I don't think it actually shows up. Yeah, of course it doesn't, because we have a texture on it. If we take the texture off, we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, see, that's what it looks like. That is wrong, because we are again using perspective, a 3D algorithm for determining the view. Or the graphic, however. Oh, the size is a bit too, there we go. Something still isn't right. What is wrong with rice? Why is rice wrong? It seems like it's wrong. Changing this view... Oh, it does not. Okay. Maybe it's because we're clipping too much off or something. Let's go back in here. Let's approach by drawing the side closer. And turn this clipping off to 0. So it clips nothing. Ah. Something isn't right. I don't remember Rice looking like this. I thought Rice had more on her avatar. Let's take a look and see what the other ones will look like. Let's put Live 2D, Cubism, Samples, Models. Okay, you know what? Let's take Rice out. Delete. Natori? Let's try Natori. Okay. Something still seems wrong here. Mao? Yeah, something's wrong here. Could it be because it's not animating now? Is that what's going on? Models? What is clipping? Okay. That one's looking for. What's Koharu look like? I think it's not handling clipping right, or maybe it's reversed. Is that what's going on here? It's probably reversed. Let's put Rice back out. Rice goes out. Okay. What if we were to rotate this? Does that do anything? Ah, yeah, it definitely does something. Let's try rotating it 180 degrees. What did you do? I'm on the wrong screen, okay. Yeah? Okay. Not okay? Something isn't right. Okay. Let's try playing this. Hit the play button, see what happens. We should change our camera back to there, okay? If we have it sit, something didn't show. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's because it's not set up to show up here. Let's have this set to number 6. Let's go take a look at display 6. Yeah, now it shows up right. It's because it wasn't playing. Something's going on with her face. I don't know what that's about. Why is her face acting like that? Doesn't matter. I don't think... Wait, is it because she's falling? The physics attached to these characters? No? Okay. So that has something to do with where this is located at. Let's try changing this to y-axis of 0. No? 0? No? Oh, yeah. Apparently it does not handle a huge z-axis right. So I guess it would have to be set to 0. Let's do 5,000 on this. While Live 3D does not handle a high z-axis much. So now we know what's up with that. Take the z-axis down to 0. Just as well, it doesn't have to be that far away. Live 3D camera, we're gonna change this. We're gonna leave it on 2. Then we can actually change it to 6, I think. Oh, before that, let's change it to 8. Yeah, nothing's currently on 6. What's on number 5? Ah, my room. Okay. 4, my face. 3, 2D version of the room. 2 is what you see. Okay, so it's gonna be that one. Let's go ahead and dupe this. Let's change this to 0. And change this to 4,000. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna drag it down here and paste as a child. And change this to a 3D camera. 2.5D camera. Okay. Change the camera to screen 7. Oh. 8. Change it to 8. Wait, why is both of these showing up? Oh, it's because of where I'm currently looking at, I think. So, yeah, I'm going to change this one to 7. Okay. Now, for this one. We need to grab my avatar. Let's find out where exactly it's located at. Gravity, come. Here we go. There it is right there. With all of its crap on it. What we need to do is see if we got good prefab for that. Oh, is that it? English variant. Alright, let's go ahead and drag this variant up underneath the avatar. Change the position to 0 by 0. Oh. Yeah, this one still has some of the Ryza stuff on it. Alright, what we're going to do is drag this back. Prefab with a missing script. Oh, okay, because we had removed a bunch of scripts. Some of the stuff that was controlling it is gone now. Now it's tight. Prefab variant. Alright, so now we got prefab variant. Let's rename this to Yeah, here. Well, you know what? We're gonna save it as it is. We're gonna leave it where it's at. Delete this first. And then we'll delete it from over here. Variant. Okay. Let's drag you up here first. We'll make adjustments before we save a variant. That would be the correct thing to do, I think. So we have this prefab. Let's go into armature, outfits. The rise outfits, jacketless. Let's turn this one off. There we go. Here we need to go underneath, go to underwear. And I need to put on a top. Okay, good. Shirt coming off. Okay. Glad that wasn't a transparent thing. We have to go into 2D variants. Shirt. Undergarments right there. We need to select the undergarments. Element 0 could be removed, because the only one that will matter with that. See that? Okay. Undergarments, add this. There we go. So all my undergarments are set up, so I don't have to worry about getting demonetized here. Neptunia, what was on? Okay, none of that was on. None of the holiday items were on either. Jacket. Let's take a look at our jacket item. Jacket back. Arc Messenger, I don't have a thing for that because it wasn't really necessary. Inner. Inner, the material gets changed to the 2D variant. Outer. The outer was a shirt. I'm going to change this to this. Okay, cool. Jacket is done. Pants. Alright. Now then, we gotta go and, left boot and right boot. The reg. Atlas. Oh, hold on. Reg. Reg 1, Atlas. Okay. The screen never had anything on it, so we're gonna click. We're done with outfit here. Wait, shirt? Yeah, we need to put the shirt back on. And the shirt had its texture. Okay, cool. Let's see. My body. Yeah, okay, we gotta do something about that one. It was, transparent. Wait. Okay, it's not in 2D variants. We need to look in assets, the entire assets folder. Clear? I'm getting demonetized. I'm getting demonetized. Material? Yeah, that's the one right there. It's embarrassing. Okay. That's the AR head. We need to go back in here. 2D variants. AR head. Okay. Ooh, okay. I don't know what face old was. I right. I left. Effects. DRM hair. Effects. Mouth. Effects. Effects. Okay, that's a good portion of it done. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you, Vampy. Yeah, I see you on both of them. Poobot, okay. Poobot it is! Yeah, I'm working on the avatar now. Trying to get, we still got the menu we're working on. And, the menu gives an option of going between a live 2D avatar or a 2.5 avatar. For example, live 2D. Alright, yes, I get it. You're really into that type of, I get it, you're into scat. Can you make your character poo? Ew! No! No! It could do kinky stuff, but nothing gross like that, no! 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 What's wrong with you? Alright, fine. Chest, go to neck. We can rename neck. Take away this. This was meant to block animations from the neck up. Now it's fixed so animations will trigger properly. Head, and then underneath head we have head accessories, furry ears. Outer is the VRM hair. The inner is this light. There we go. That's not what we came in here for. We came in here for the hairstyle. Go into short hair, hair. This is the mesh for the hair. And change the mesh for the hair. There we go. Point is gross to you? What's wrong with people today, SMH? I'm an AI, I'm not a people. Alright. So this is the gist of the 2.5 avatar. What will end up happening is we will be setting these in here. Game object, live 2D avatar. Should be... Oh no, we gotta set up overlays. Oops, take that down. Okay. Yeah, we gotta set up overlays, which go in the communications, viewer side, and they go down here, avatar overlays. Let's duplicate this twice. Duplicate and duplicate. Bring it up, and bring it up. So we're gonna rename this one. What did I just do? Lame, cringe. Okay, fine. Let's see, we're gonna name this 3D avatar. More like J. Oh, hold on. What's going on? I renamed it. It should have renamed here. What did I just rename? Something that, what? Okay, there it goes. I'm gonna rename this one 2.5 avatar. And this one 2D. Oh, hold on. What am I doing? Rename 2D. Remember to make a backup right now. Okay. Yeah, good idea. I did the save, and I did the backup at the end of last episode. So we're gonna go ahead and save again. And just to be on the safe side, we'll make a we'll back up the scene this time. Explore, and I'm gonna look into that get thing that you mentioned. That way I don't have to worry about this in the future. The only thing is I'm never really trusting, especially other companies, corporations. So I worry about them getting a hold of my stuff or leaving my stuff in somebody else's hands. We're gonna paste this here and replace it. Now we have a backup as of 9:26 p.m. Okay, going back. We'll make a full backup once I'm done with this part. The only thing I was worried about was the scene getting corrupt again, because that's what happened that last time. So we were in the middle of the overlays. The way these things work is they bring in camera inputs from textures. So the 2.5 avatar, we're gonna go ahead and do 2.5. They're never set up. Oh, it should be in webcam. I don't remember what I saved it as. Ah, here we go. 2.5D. Drag this one. Wait, there should be a material for this. 2.5D material. There. That's dragged there, and this one is dragged here. This material is set up with a texture for these render textures. The cameras will embed what they see into these textures, which is then reflected on the materials. So these two will be set up now, and we're gonna go ahead and drop these into. We need to go in here first. Right where it says render texture, we need to drag for the Live 2D texture. And then down here with a 2.5 camera, same thing. The 2.5 texture. It will no longer display on these displays. Instead, it's displaying onto the textures. The ball-shaped ones. Well, these ones are material, but they're not shaped like balls. Because they're special, unlike transparent textures. Oh, you know what? The Blue Yeti ones aren't the ball-shaped ones. But you know what I mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay, so that's set. Going into the communications module, we will drag 2D avatar overlay there. We'll drag 2.5D overlay 2.5, and then 3D avatar overlay here. We'll activate this script, and then we need to go into the character, player options, and we're going to create one more slider. And down here, we're going to put avatar selection. Okay, this is indeed a slider. Our current value is going to be, we'll do 1 for the current value. Default value will be 1. And we need to bring up our menu. Bring up avatar selection here. Drag the slider. Right here. We'll take the slider text off. And then we need to have this point to this script in communications module, which controls the avatar display selection. And have it set to avatar. And that should be the end of that. I used gacked up and zooed it on Google Pill. No. And no, this is my new voice. My voice is kind of here. Oh, okay, you know what? Here, let me do something here. Where is my mouse? Where is my? Oh, there's my mouse. Let's pause the music. Pause. Pause the damn music. All right. Okay, so this is my voice. Okay.
This is it was without the voice changer.
Voice changer. And we could go ahead and come over here. Where is it? Where the bloody fuck did it go? It would be under video capture device. Let me turn that off. Oh, that's the wrong one. I don't remember which one was. Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, so this is. No, wait, I did not. Stop turning. I hate this goddamn mouse. Okay, display capture. Alright, so. Yeah, I use this right here. Turn it off so I'm not hearing myself. As you can see, voice changer.
I turn it off, and this is my voice.
And this is with it on. I was going to set it up where people would be able to change my voice using this thing if there was an API, but I've never got around to setting up the API on this thing. If there is one, I have not taken a look around for an API. That's why I just said, okay, screw it, we're developing our own. And that's why, hold on, did I leave mine on? Did I leave it on? Yeah, I left it on, okay. Let's turn back on the video display capture. Okay. Oh, there it goes. I just had to turn that other one. Turn that, bloody, fuck you! Fuck you! Okay. Bringing this back up, turn the music back on, back to that. You could probably hijack the window, but it'll be brittle. Yeah, that's true. Okay. You're trying to school me on my language? Fuck that! Okay, I gave you a subscribe and like. Thank you so much for that, vampire frog. But don't you fucking try to police me on my language! Okay, alright. I better not get a tranny recommendation. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, we were in the middle of something. Okay, yeah, avatar selection. Let's go ahead and boot this thing up. Watch it collapse right away. Oh, you know, I just realized? There's probably an animator on the variant. And it's probably gonna fall to its death. We'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are. We go escape. We click on this. Right now it's at 2.5, right? Here, let's go into this and take a look at what you will see as a 2.5 avatar. Display 2. Alright, so it is showing up, and that is weird color for my skin. That should not be like that. Okay, but we are getting the results we're looking for with the coding. Switch back over to display 1. Escape. Go here. Change it to 2. Go back to display 1. Alright. 2D avatar is showing up. Go back to display 1. And then go over here to 3. And there I am. Let's hit escape. There. Now the animation's triggering. I didn't check, we better check this. When the menu's open, everything freezes. Let's go to 2.5D. It means everything should not be frozen. Because we're no longer in the menu. Okay, everything's moving, so that's right. The avatar is not, does not have its own animator set up yet. So we're getting somewhere at this. Why is it so stretched so horizontally? Not a clue. I think that it has to do with this. If we were to go to the 2.5D camera and take a look at the texture, size and width are both the same. And it's a perfect square. Trying to stretch across on a rectangle. Let's do it this way. 1920 by 1080. Oh God, it just looks so much worse, doesn't it? Doesn't it look worse? It just looks worse. Okay, yeah. I don't know if I'm doing this right. 1920 1080. Yeah, see, it looks like it's going to be worse. But okay. I'll go into the avatar here. Oh, we could take away these scripts. They no longer exist. Those are probably, had something to do with dynamic bones. We don't need a character controller on the 2D avatar. So we're going to remove the 2D and the controller. This is missing a controller. Let's use... third person. Yeah, we'll just use a third person controller. I believe that one has a basic idle animation. And we're going to turn it off the apply motion because we do not want the avatar to fall once the animator takes place. We won't apply physics to it. If I remember correct. Let's test it out again and take a look and see what happens with the change in the texture size. It could also have something to do with the overlay being too large. We have to make adjustments to everything. This is one of the things that was so much of a hassle when this thing broke, was I had a good 3 weeks in working on this stuff. Luckily all the scripts were still here, meaning I didn't have to panic. Okay, now it doesn't look quite a stretch, right? Looks just about right? Aside from the blue skin. What the fuck, Barren? Okay. Go into the avatar. We need to look at the skin color. Feeling like a liberal already. It's pulling from the 2D variant, so it should not be pulling skin color. Because there should be no effect here from the lights around the avatar. It's got rim lighting, but it should not be bringing it, maybe environmental rim. But what would out here would be affecting and turning it blue? No, it wasn't the environmental rim. What is turning you blue? Okay, you know what we're gonna do? One thing I did forget to do was put them on its own layer. So let's come up here, bring this, and put it set up as player. Player, okay. And we'll change the children as well. Okay, the camera, the culling is not done yet either. That's another thing. It needs to cull everything, except for player. See, what we're supposed to be doing is copying the base camera. This thing, cull everything. Cull. Player. Oh, well, player and inventory. I can't forget inventory. Depending on which, if my main avatar passed in front of this somehow, it would strip me down completely. Okay, the background. Change it to solid color, and we're going to change this to completely black. Same on this one. Solid color and completely black. Skybox should not affect it at all. Blue dot diva who died. I love watching girls sing that. It'd be great if I could actually get my own avatar to do that. It'd probably require a lot of editing though. Okay, testing it again. This should keep me from being blue again. There, perfect. I'm no longer blue. I don't know how to... Okay. So, yeah, and it's got the basic, standing there or whatever animation. Oh, you know what? I was not using this animator before. Now that I think about it, I was using the animator I had initially used for VR chat. Problem is, I don't think I had a standing animation for it. Okay, so FX. And if you use this animator underneath Dances and Visings, is what I was tinkering with animations. Okay, 31. Try that one. No, not that one. Alive? Oh, yeah, we need to see if this will actually work, too. Animation 17. Okay. It's going through the wrong speaker. I don't have it set up to go through the HDMI audio here. Matter of fact, can I get it done right now? How do I... There it goes. Need to bring this up. Change this. Oh, something happened. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I don't know where you went.
Work it, break it, do it, make sense. All around, faster, stronger.
No, it should be tracking the camera though. That's the problem. Why did it... Oh! The position here. It fell.
Work it, over.
Well, whatever it did take a shit out of here. Okay. Almost had a crash there for a second with the audio and the processing. No, I don't know. It like just disappeared off the camera. Let's save before I lose everything and before it crashes. It should not apply any motion. Okay, animator. Oh, it doesn't have that animator now. Let's go. Make sure that it will actually have a idle stand as well. I don't remember having an idle stand on the FX controller. See, VR Chat had split up their animator into like 5 animators. And this was just one of them for having a whole bunch of different things like X-ray, flight. You put your emotes in this one. You could be able to change your visings, your hairstyle, all kinds of things. Okay, so it does have an idle stand now on this avatar, on this animator. I forgot I had applied that. You wanted to see Lou dancing. Okay, you remember? I don't know if you haven't seen that the ghost animation. The one with the 4 ghosts from Pac-Man. Let's go here to audio. It would be Clyde, number 31. There's no audio. There is no audio. Oh, because the audio doesn't exist on this one. Because the audio does not exist. I had to put it in the freaking audio thing. Of course. I could expect anything to work properly. There's a lot of things that end up getting lost, but I have a sound thing in here. Sounds. And as you can see, the ghost dance thing does not exist on here. Oh no, the boot physics. No, the boot physics, I don't think this one has. Well, it kind of does have boot physics, but it's not good enough. It's never good enough. I must fix that as well. That is one thing that needs to be fixed. Alright, first, let's go into the main avatar. I am hearing myself again because this somehow, I did not click on it. Screw you! Screw you! Chuck! Fucking! Alright. Boot physics. Magical cloth was one thing I added before the crash. The great crash that put me behind by 4 days. Well, 3 weeks technically. 4 days to repair. I'm on day 3. I think I have like 1 more day, and then I could actually go back to doing some other stuff. And fixing some stuff. I think over the weekend I probably won't do any live streams, I'll just fix some stuff. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. Okay, go here. File, save. We're saving? Okay, now we have something called magical cloth. We need to first, let's first fix my outfit. I'm the main character. We're gonna go to this one. Shirt. See, it's got cloth on it, but that's not good enough. It's not even added on there. Remove the component. Goodbye. Magical cloth. I have it downloaded. We're gonna put magical cloth on it. Yes. Okay, now, it took me a while to figure out how this works, and I still am not quite certain what the hell I'm doing when I do this. But I believe the source renderer is supposed to be the renderer of the mesh object. Right there. Okay, so then we have to go to the avatar itself. Let's go into scene. This is not the avatar we're looking at. This is the avatar we're looking at. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of other crap on us. Oh, before we get to this, yeah, I'm not getting demonetized here. No, here, let's go ahead and add some color to it too, just in case. Perfect. Goodbye non-denomination. I don't really think I have to worry about the monetization, because I don't even have monetization. That's why I can say whatever the fuck I want. Okay, for this, you select what you want to be able to move. You select everything you want to fix. We're gonna fix everything. Fixed it all. Okay, we're gonna have to reduce the point size so we can see. And then we're gonna reduce the brush size so we don't affect everything. We're gonna do Z-test so we can see the back. Okay, off, let me see the back. We don't need to see the back, so we're gonna turn it on so we only affect the front. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in close enough. You know, it doesn't matter if the back is actually not seen. And just underneath the nips, right here, to make all of this able to move. Right about there. Okay, let's turn on Z-test. Turn on Z-test. Allow us to be able to adjust the back as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the entire back. Like that. Oh. That should do the frill, the rim of my outfit for the most part. Oh, I missed some spots. Come on, stop zooming in so much. God damn it! Alright. Oh, I gotta hit through, I guess. I have not really used this tool quite as much. Through. Now we should be able to hit the back as well. That's it. That's the stuff. Right there. That's good. That's some good shit. Okay. So now all of that is movable. That's it for that one. Let's go over here to this one and we gotta do the same. Where the bloody hell did I put it? Okay, right here. Shirt. Magical cloth. Drag you. Oh, I gotta turn this on first. Drag you into here. Okay, cool. Now, adjust the thing, and we need to zoom in to take a look at you. Okay, we're adjusting. Wait, what? Okay, hold on a moment. What's going on? First, let's get rid of this rig. Turn the rig off for now. Something isn't right. There. Okay, it must have taken a little while to initialize. Now it's working. Fixed, fill, and move, and we're gonna go ahead and grab everything underneath the nips. And about there. That way it gives the viewers a good tease, but it does not expose anything. Okay. Stop it. Okay. Right about there. I hate that it wants to bounce around so dang much. I just want to zoom in just a little bit, not this much. Okay. That should be good, I think. Yeah, I think that should be good. You see? Okay, we're done here. We're gonna go ahead and exit this. So that's it for that one. Now, we also need to adjust the boobs. And we also need to adjust the colliders. Because there needs to be a collider to keep us from, you know, exposing too much. And make sure everything collide with each other. And let's go into here. It's not going to be underneath the shirt. We need to go on the body. We'll go on the body, and we're going to go ahead and hit magic cloth. Now, I haven't tried turning the boobs into cloth. I'm wondering how that will work, but I'm also kind of hesitant to do that because I'm sure it's going to make everything flattening. Yeah, let's instead let's just do the boob cloth like I thought, like I did before. Adjust, and we need to add in 2 transforms. And go into here, under hips, spine, chest, breast. This transform, and this transform. I cannot remember for the life of me the settings I had before, but I do remember this needs to be turned down to 0. I do not remember the settings. I do not remember my limitations on the movement either. Okay. Oh, the hair also needed to be done. Let's quickly check to see what we got so far. There's something else at play here. There it is. These need to be removed. Oh, yeah, this is for the booty cheeks, too. Yes, my butt also jiggles. Okay, so we need to get rid of these. Well, let's turn them off for now. And I think there might be some dynamic bones on this one as well. Any physics? No. Okay, I guess I never applied the physics to it. Dynamic bones just simply isn't good enough. Alright, so, okay. I don't know what is going on. Okay, maybe if we left? I don't know. Here, let's go on top of the roof for a moment. Okay, if we go to the ceiling, we got a little bit more room to work with. Alright, so the boobs aren't jiggling. At least they're not in such a way that I notice, and neither is that little cloth. Hold on, something's... Alright, so yeah, maybe they are moving, but the cloth should be moving along with them, that's the problem. Yeah, something's moving. Yeah, something is moving, but I can't tell what it is. So let's go back into... Okay, yeah, forget that happened. What happens with that is that's because there's a voice changer module on the head. And if the head disappears, it throws up so many errors. The head disappears anytime you go into first person. So I gotta fix that too eventually. Not like it's a big, like there's a need for it really right now at the moment. Okay, let's try changing it to display 4. Which puts the camera directly out. Okay, we need to zoom out the camera. Okay, now where is that damn bloody camera? We gotta turn the gizmos. There's the camera. So now we got the camera, let's go back in the game. And we'll adjust the field of view. Hold on, wait a minute. That's the weapons camera, my bad. Okay. There it is. Okay, this is the camera we're looking for. Gotta adjust the field of view to back out. Oh, that's god-awful. Oh, okay, no, stop looking that way. Yeah, I think that they're jiggling and moving around, but... Hold on. What's going on? Okay, the outfit is, something isn't right here. Body? Connection line? Alright. You know what, screw this. Here's an idea. Go here. You can remove these root bones, and instead of selecting 2 separate bones, well, I kind of want the physics to affect both boobs in different ways. So, like, one side would move in one direction and the other one, I don't know if it works that way. Okay, here. Let's go here. Press. Well, I find it helps if you write down your ideas in those cases and just get back to them at another time. It feels like that's actually the outfit. Okay, here. What if it's part of the outfit that's doing this? Okay, there's the bikini tops and whatnot. Here, let's go into the outfits. Turn off the... Oh! Okay, yeah, turn the shirt off. Yeah, the boobs are not moving. Something is not right. And when I move... Okay, that's not what happened. I think that gravity is affecting that. That's what is going on here. Because I'm upside down, it's bringing the gravity... The gravity is focused upwards. Huh. This is one of the things that could take me days to get done. Root rotation. Let's turn root rotation up. Okay. Letting root rotation happen, my boobs go up in the direction of gravity. Gravity fall off. Huh. No max distance. This is a collision detection. I don't know. Okay, let's... If we turn gizmos on, can we see what the gizmos look like? I don't know. I don't know what's affecting what anymore. Okay, so, let's see here. Yeah, this should be the boobs gizmo, and you can see the boobs are trying to go up, down, technically, since I'm upside down. Here, let's go right side up. Oh, I'm gonna hit, we gotta change the camera. Display 1. Resume the game. And hit this button. And I'm gonna go ahead and point towards the floor. There we go. Let's go over by the window. Get some sunlight in here. Okay. Change display back to 4. And see, now the shirt is kind of going in the right direction. You want to program that Britney Venti lopsided boob physics? Yes, exactly! Everything needs to be lopsided and broken. Don't you know that's what video game programmers do? Alright, the root bones will be proper. Skinning bones, I don't know what that does. I wish I remembered what the settings were. Stiffness. Okay, I'm pretty sure the stiffness was down. We wanted it so that what happened is... No. Dang it, I don't remember what this stuff was. You know what? I might not spend much time on this. I might have to play with this on the... I'm gonna play with my boobs on the weekend, okay? We'll wait till the weekend and we'll play my boobs then. On my own time. Okay. I had good settings. I swear I had good settings. Alright, so... maybe the hair. Let's get the hair set up right. We can at least get that done. That'd be nice, right? Right? Wrong. Right, yes, okay. I can help but think that maybe there's some other stuff that's at work that's playing here that's stirring things up. I can't tell. Go ahead. Hairstyle. Short hair. Alright. See, it's got dynamic bones here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off for now. Instead, we're gonna use magical cloth. Magical cloth, and we change this one to foam cloth. Oh. Did we adjust several different bones? Is that what happened? This has its own armature. So what we want to do is start off down on head. Unknown. Why? Is it because I have too many? Okay, let's try doing one for now. What happened? Okay, head. Give it head. No, giving it head didn't work. Let's try these ones then. And on the back. Okay, we have two different parts of my hair. We have these 5 and 10 on here. Rear left, okay. We're gonna go ahead and have those work separately. So we're gonna have rear left, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should be center back. Yeah, center back, center back, center back, back. Okay, I think those were the 4 there. The top 4 plus the last one. Oh, that's why nothing was happening. I'm an idiot. You see the balls? I didn't see balls on the other one. Because I didn't see the balls, I did not realize that you had to play with those. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, what you have to do is you have to treat them like normal cloth. You have to adjust what moves and what doesn't, and we didn't do that with the boobs. Right. Yeah, we have to do that with the boobs. When we play with the boob, we have to adjust the balls. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I know what to do now. Damn. Okay. There's also something else wrong here. One of these is not correct. Was it top back left need to be done? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so these need to be adjusted for this magical cloth. So we go here. We're gonna fix everything for now. Fill and move. Okay. Then we're only gonna have some of these move a little bit. Okay, both play, no problem. Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. They have these adjust, so they basically have the tips move. They have it bend there. Okay. I think that should be good, right? Okay. So that would be the short hair. Unfortunately, we can't really easily copy this over to the next avatar as well. But let's take a look and see what this looks like. We would have to also adjust the other ones and have all the other parts of the hair affected by magical cloth. Oh, I did not put this on 0 rotation, so it's going to look very weird. Okay, we need to back the camera the fuck off. Where the hell was this camera at, too? I don't remember what I did with this camera. Is this it? I don't think this is the camera. I don't remember which camera's affecting it. Yeah, this is the one that's affecting it. Okay, so let's go back in the game. Field of view. Zoom out. Unpause. Yeah, it's like all over the place. You kind of expect somebody's hair to be like that, though, right? And it's so flop. It's like so limp. It's just so damn limp. Okay, we need to go back into short hair. I'm gonna turn the rotation off. See how that affects it. And it's still kind of limpy. Let's stiffen it. Oh, no, wait. Did I change it? Oh, I see what happened. Why did that happen? Why did that happen, actually? That's a good question. Oh, it's because the main camera is turned off. Is that this camera 4 turned off and switch to the next available. Gravity. Gravity's fine the way it is. The fall off, could adjust a few things. See, that makes it so it floats back up a little bit. If you turn the fall off up. Stabilization. We're looking for a stiffness. How about we limit movement? What if we limited the movement a little bit? Just make it very small. A very small limited movement. Okay, that's cool for that, I think. Okay, yeah, we'll leave it at that, and we're going to copy this over. So in order to keep the changes at permanent, we need to copy the component, turn this off, and then copy the component values back on. Otherwise, all changes revert. Paste component values. So that fixes all of that. Let's go on next to the rest of the hair, since we're already on the hair. We're going to need to create one more magical cloth. Oh, we also should add on a couple of colliders to keep the hair from flowing into the head. So new magic cloth, bone cloth, add on a couple of variables, values, couple fields, couple whatevers. See, top back, we've got back left, center back, 3 center backs, and top left back. Okay, so in this case we're gonna do top back right, rear left, rear right. Oh wait, we got rear right. We got rear left. Rear. Front bang right. Front bang left. Oh, damn it. Front bang left. Hold on. Wrong one. Front bang left. Front bang. Front bang left. Front bang. And that allowed me to be able to create the magical cloth for that. I'm going to turn off the ones in the back so we're not accidentally affecting them somehow. Now, usually the first ball I want to set up as non-moving. I'm going to turn down the root rotation because I think we want to have them allow it to be moved a little bit. Oh, okay. Looks like the first one's already adjusted for each of these. Let's go ahead and set a few more to be fixed. We'll set it right where we get the major bends at. So right there would be one. I think we kind of want to do one here. Keep the hair out a little bit more. Right there and there, I think. It would help if I didn't have all this crap strapped to my back. It's all the stuff from the SDK. Let's go ahead and set that one up as well. Okay. Done there. Now, we're going to limit the motion. And we're going to increase the max distance so it can go up a little bit. And let's try it out now. Oh, we've got to turn on one of the magical claws. Alright. Yeah, I think the hair looks pretty good, don't you? I think we're looking good. One of those strands should be moving a lot more, though. It's the one on the left side of my head. Okay, we're good though. I think we're good for now on that. I can always make adjustments later on when I feel like it. If I ever feel like it. If I ever feel like it. We'll delete these dynamic bones. From what I understand, Magical Cloth does more than dynamic bones can. But there's nothing that Magical Cloth can't do that dynamic bones can. So in this case, dynamic bones will allow you to do bone transforms on the fly, like and make them dynamic. Same with Magical Cloth, and the bone transforms and bone claw. Okay. Now let's go and we need to take a look at those boobs again. Gotta take a look at my breast. Give me just 1 second. Go back down to my body. And there's my breast. Okay. Magical Cloth, and we can see these are set to not do anything. That's a problem. You see, these two bones don't do anything to begin with. There's nothing that those bones do. They were just in case I wanted to add cannons or something, you know. I could adjust the cannons on my boobs. Don't ask questions. So we need to go ahead and change this to move. So now these will move. Now that those are movable, let's go ahead and play. Okay, so we need to adjust the camera. Let's go down to the cameras. It's not in cameras. It would be under. Wait, where did this camera go? Where do we? It would be in here, right? Where do I have this camera at? Ah, there we go. This camera. Feel the vehicles out. Let's turn off the gizmos, because gizmos will be in the way of the view. Okay. Something isn't right. The cloth is still moving around a bit, but the cloth isn't moving around quite as much as I want it to. So that is one part of the problem. Let's go back to the body. Maybe we need to adjust the root rotation. What is going on? I know I set these up right? Limited movement is not set up. That's for collisions. We're not self-collision, which is important. Turn on stiffness. Something is not right. Turn down. That's for angle limits, though. We're not doing angle limits. It feels like something is not set up proper. Hold on a moment. I'm not looking at the right avatar. Yeah, it's the right avatar. You know what I'm thinking about doing? Let's go to my hair. My hair. Grab the settings for this. Copy. And let's put it on my boobs. Put these settings on my boobs. Right here. These component values. Now we need to remove all of these, since it's not going to be affecting any of this stuff. Leave one, and set it up to there. Oh! Why am I doing it like that? I'm not affecting the body, we're supposed to be affecting the bone. Oh wait, no, never mind. It was affecting the bone the first time. Okay. We'll go back to the bones. Bones. Right there. This one. This one. Okay. It is not affecting my boobs the way I want it to. Why? Let's try doing something weird. Unless you call everything I do weird, but you know. Go in here. Let's see what happens if I were to grab my boobs. Is it because there's an animator affecting it? Is that what's going on? It's not being dragged anywhere. Boobs aren't going anywhere. It's because it's being affected by an animator? Is that what's going on? Today I haven't really done much coding at all. It's just actually I didn't do any coding at all today. I was just setting up those menus and everything. This morning. I mean, at the beginning of the live stream. Okay, so something's not right here. I think that it's affecting... What if we made my boobs disappear? Okay, that doesn't do anything because it just affects the animator. I think the animator is what's causing this to not work. We probably have a... Where is the animator? Should be on the player controller. Turn off this. That should not affect it at all, though. And to be honest, it's doing nothing. Let's see. 20 years, I would say. Yeah, about 18 to 20 years. I started mostly in HTML and web code. I did have some experience with C++ and Allegro. The Allegro IO, I think it was. That was a long time ago. I got really involved in PHP because I liked how I was able to use server-side code to be able to change web pages on the fly. I thought it was pretty awesome. Okay, I turned off the program. Let's go back over here. Yeah, that was my beginning years of trying to do game programming. Alright, so yeah, the boobs are affected by this phone. No, CSS, not really. I wasn't a big fan of cascading style sheets. It was PHP. Let's take this off the body. But I had a SQL and PHP experience. Let's make it a mesh clump. See what happens if we make the boobs mesh. Yeah, let's do it that way. No, that can only turn out bad. If we don't move the shirt along with... Yeah, if we don't move the shirt along with the boobs, yeah, it will turn out very bad. And the shirt only moves if we move the bones. transforms. Bring this up. Okay. What we're gonna do this time is we're just going to adjust these to affect everything. We're gonna say everything gets moved. Everything gets moved. Wait, what? Okay, it's saying. No, it's white. It's green. Okay, green. Good. I don't know why the balls are that color. Okay, I guess it's normal for it to not show up with what it should be. And also common, and they have a good market as far as I know. It does have here anyways. Yeah, SQL was really handy. In fact, I use SQL on this too. Well, I'm using SQLite. Camera. Why are my thumbs not moving? Well, I'm using not MySQL, MySQL, but I'm using SQLite. Let me see here. We go into here. So all the tests that were happening from before. Messages that came through. These are the logs. Transcripts from when I'm talking. Users. The platforms that they're on. I'm going to get reward points and all kinds of other things added into this. Yeah, chatter voice settings. That's another thing I need to get done. In the menu, every time we come into the menu, we go here. These settings will reset every time the program opens up. I need to get a save setting function set up in here. Save it into the database and then pull from the database as soon as the program starts up. The database location also needs to come back, open up the location of the database. I have not got any of that stuff set up yet. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that makes sense because you actually have other people use this app, like MeMan is using it. In fact, MeMan is currently live right now with 5 viewers, it looks like. Yeah, I kind of like the way the hair sways. It looks nice. Okay, so, I don't know. We got the menu fixed. We got the live 2D, the 2.5 diameter. Yeah, it says he is. Although it could be that that's wrong. I had the screen open for a long time, and it's possible that he's not actually live, and it just never updated. btlive's kind of screwy like that. Yeah, it says he's still live. Yep. Hi! I'm not exactly, you can't blame me for sniping him, because I'm not actually, don't have him on screen yet.
I didn't know it was going to be this long, but at least we got the kids out. We got everyone reunited and everything. Bye!
I gotta watch these streams more often.
Barren Wolfsbane, how you doing, friend? my artificial intelligence, electronic furry character. I don't know what you are. You're an AI? With very big ideas and dreams for the future.
Pooh.
And there's Vampire Frog. What?
All the wrongs in my life.
Oh. Well, thanks for stopping by for 20 seconds, you know? There's not a lot going on here for that much time. Let's put that on Sancho.
Love you too.
Man is a great guy.
Am I try to be.
Yes, he is.
I've been told that I'm not before. And I'm not really great. I'm kind of average. I'm less than average, but a little below average. But I don't know. I'll shoot myself down all day. I try, but that's impossible.
But he overdoes it.
Do I overdo it? What do you want me to do? How can I like be humble but not overdo it?
I'm just gonna shut up.
Becca's like, nah, me man's the whatever. Let's go gamble, drink, and whore ourselves.
Hey Vampy, does this TTS take in mic inputs and not read when streamer is talking?
That is acceptable woman behavior.
Yo, we got 20,000 coins. Yeah, it's the ducker. Why? Is it annoying when it clips out? Whenever. Here, you want to see the ducker? You want me to show it to you real quick? Here. This is the ducker. I have a bunch of shit that I have on the ducker. It's called Death.
A ducker is something that lowers the volume.
Yeah, exactly. D-gas ducker. Look, I got my OBS up here, and then I got the game playing, and I should really move the game volume up a little bit so it doesn't clip out so bad. Yeah, let's put it up there. You see?
No, it was an idea I had a while ago. Thought Vampy implemented it before me.
Yeah, it's just a Death Gates ducker. Fucker.
Gath. I'm not.
D-gat.
I spell it like that.
Well, it's easier for you to say than me, and you're Romanian.
Idea shouldn't be too hard.
It's gonna be a long stream tonight.
I have the framework already.
All we have to do is get Elven medicine, then we'll be good.
Nice.
I wish we had the whip. After we use all of our Elven medicine, and if we fail, we'll come back and we'll try again.
As I can afford after I launch.
There we go. Well, we could buy more. Actually, let's put some on. On Bianca.
Barren is stream sniping you.
It's okay. I really don't care. I don't care if anybody stream snipes me or records me.
Set up so if it
It's literally the most boring stream ever. Because I'm just filling up my character's inventory.
Yep.
Technically I'm not.
Yeah, that should be good enough for now. We'll save the rest of that money for next time. Let's go ahead and let's return to. It's fine if you did. People do that all the time.
Just your voice.
El Haven. Hey, it's all cool, bro. Alright, stay here for a night, get our HP up, save at the chapel, and then we'll go into the world of darkness. $17.88.
$17.88, brother.
Okay, break time is over. Time to go break something.
Well, have a good one, friend.
Good to see you.
Good. It's always nice to see you in chat. You're pleasant to see.
Seems such a nice guy. You should definitely go follow him. Oh, wait, hold on. What am I doing? Whoops, I kind of screwed everything up. Yeah, I already broke something. Didn't take long. Okay, now... Okay, yeah, I'm back on the screen. Why is that on again? I should not be... Okay. Alright. What was I doing? Okay, I was trying to get my boobs to work, but my boobs aren't working. Somebody tell me why my boobs aren't working. I can only assume that it has something to do with the animator. But this was not a problem in the past. Previously, I had this working. The bone claw moves the bones. What if we just say, screw this, put up dynamic bones again? I swear I got better results out of going to physics. Turn these dynamic bones back on. Okay, these are for the cheeks, and these are for face. I'd probably mess with this instead. Yeah, see? It's affecting that bone. Animate physics. Update mode, animate physics. Elasticity. I think we added elasticity. Yeah, it was probably some dynamic bones. We added elasticity to our bones. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Elasticity, increase elasticity. Maybe not? Turn down elasticity? Alright, yeah, one of them's moving around a lot more. That's the right one. It's this one right here. So we animate physics. Turn down the elasticity. Okay. I think this is a good value for both. Let's copy this. I'm gonna have to go ahead and use dynamic bones for this part, I think. Because it does not seem like the other ones are gonna work. I don't know what those giant rings are. I have no idea what that does. I don't want them to be that stiff neither. So let's move those down to 0.38. I think what really is the coup de grace is when you combine the boob physics with the shirt physics. So you got the shirt cloth whipping around everywhere, and yeah, okay, that makes there just hanging loose. But fuck it, I think that's good enough, right? Right? Right, okay. Yeah, we're gonna call that good enough. The shirt's gotta move around more, though. I can't stand by while that shirt is not moving around, whipping around a lot. I wish I had the old settings, but we lost the settings when the damn thing fell apart on me. Let's go back to the shirt. Shirt. Okay, why is there a lot of red? Something ain't right here. There's some stuff at the bottom that's red. That's probably... these bottom ones here? Those are probably what's causing it to not whip around a lot. See red over there? There's some red. Let's get some of these ones up there. Oh yeah, see right there. There's a bunch of ones that selected. Oh yeah, there's a lot. What the hell? How did I miss all of these? You would think it'd be impossible to miss all of those. Let me go inside of it. Try to go inside of me and see if we can adjust from the inside. Yeah, my camera culling is too big. I wonder if there should be a way to be able to adjust the culling on a camera in the scene editor. See there, see? Right there, there's another one, right there. You don't notice it right away, unless you get just the right camera angle. Oh! Culling needed to be on! That's what's going on. There was some inner vertices that were not being adjusted. That's probably the same for the boobs! Well, maybe not for the boobs. I would say that probably not for the boobs. Oh yeah, see, look at that. The inner vertices here, not being adjusted. That goes in right underneath the nips. I want to push Twitch as far as I can without going over the line. Let's see how well that turns out. Alright, so there we go. Yeah, let's make the entire back kind of like able to go through. Okay. Now, let's try it out. That should be better. That should be far better. Okay, so let's see what we're dealing with here. We should probably change the camera first. Display 4. Alright, let's see what we're dealing with. Oh shoot, it goes way up there. The cloth looks a hell of a lot better like that. But it is dangerously close to revealing everything. I like it. I like it. If it's not already in... Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put colliders on the boobs. And that way, the shirt should not... I mean, technically you're not wrong, but technically you are. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's gotta be some penetration for it to be porn. At least that's what I was told. Let's see here. From a weird niche subgenre porn, but still kind of porn, maybe, I guess. No, see, I don't think it is. Pretty sure it isn't. Okay, so, yeah, I don't know if the lighting's good enough for that. Here, I gotta adjust the lighting. There we go. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, we need to add colliders to the boobs so that the shirt tries to stay outside of the colliders. If we do that, then I think we're in the clear. We're probably in the clear. We'll find out. Yeah, see, that looks a lot better. Okay, so we need to go to the boobs. Boobs, right there. Alright, and we're not going to just go to the front of the boobs. We gotta go, I mean, to the root bone of the boobs. We gotta go near the front of the boobs. Yeah, see, the front of the boobs is like right there at the front. See, now, that's the front. This is if you wanted to put nipple piercings or something, you put it right there. Now they jiggle less than the boobs, so they jiggle out with the boobs. Okay, but you're technically not wrong about the avatar. This is an adult avatar. It's got working functions on it. Yeah, here's where we're gonna put the collider. We're gonna put, magical sphere collider. There and there. So those are spheres, and we need to adjust the spheres. Hey, let's turn off the gizmos. Wait, no, we have to have gizmos. Let's not turn off all the gizmos, but instead turn off the logo for the gizmo. Is there any way to do that? Sphere collider? No. I don't see a way to turn off the gizmo for the collider. Fine, we'll leave it on. Oh, we need to go back to the gizmo. There we go. I'm trying to do one on the side and one on the front, one on the back. Hey, wait, hold on. We gotta check side view and. Oh, wait, okay, let me grab that again. Okay, yeah, we do. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm an idiot. Adjust those and put them back where they were. If you adjust it the way that I just did, you're not moving the collider. You are moving the bone that you attached it to. That's moving the bone, not the collider. to adjust this just like that, and then you need to adjust these. It looks like it's on the y-axis, so we adjust. Oh, nope, wrong one. This one does not make sense because it looks like it's on the wrong axis. 4, 3, 2. 2 is just about right, but I'm gonna have to do 2.5. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this collider and go over to this side as well and paste. Which should put it just about in the right place. No, we still need to adjust it on the x-axis. We need to get it out a little bit, so we're going to go down. 0.01. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll just do 0.01. Other side. .01. Yeah, we'll do 0.01. That way it kind of pops out. Okay, now back to the boobs. We're coming down to the colliders. Collider list. Open up and add 2 colliders. There. And there. Okay. That point collider. Wait, would it be an edge collider or would it be a point collider? I don't know how these things work. I think that it will. Oh. Okay, I get what happens. If the ball hits the edge. I'm on the wrong one. I'm on the wrong one. We're not supposed to be putting this on the boobs. We never got the boobs to work. So it'd be pointless to put it on the boobs. We want to go to the cloth. The shirt. And we add the colliders to the shirt. Collider list. Add 2. Come on up here to there. And there. Okay, so there are your colliders, and the shirt's going to try its best to stay outside of those colliders. I don't think it's going to work. Alright, let's reduce the radius of the colliders. They're right about there, I think. Or maybe even smaller. 2, 1. We'll do 2. Friction, we're gonna have high friction. Now let's see what kind of disaster I have created here. I may be getting kicked off the internet for this one. Oh, we forgot to turn on the self collider thing too. Camera, there it is. Alright, so it's outside the shirt. It's kind of working. I'm gonna have to take a look off stream and see with the underwear off and see if it will expose anything. before I could say that it looks good enough. The hair is okay. I think we're good enough on this. I kind of want to try cloth collider now with the hair. That would be an interesting idea, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and turn off this collider and this collider. Let's add another collider. Okay. Oh. But now I think about it. Yeah, okay, we just reduce that down and we go here. Let's try turning my hair into cloth and see what happens. Oh boy, I almost missed it. I almost missed it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, look at all those edges and vertices and triangles. Ah! Okay. This is gonna be a mess. Yeah, I have not optimized this hair at all. I have not optimized this hair at all. Fix everything. Now move. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. I should not be doing this. This should not be turned into a cloth. It's not optimized in the slightest. This will only lead to disaster. What the hell have you made me do? What the hell have you made me do? I'm blaming Vampy for this one. The skating's not here to blame. I must blame my viewers. Oh my god, this is not a good idea at all. I don't care who came up with this. This can never be decided to turn into a, could never be misconstrued as a good idea. Who the hell? I mean, I really needed to optimize this hair a long time ago. Screw it, we're just turning all of this into everything in the back, all that stuff in the back is able to move. Let's try it now. Oh, but before that, let's save because it's gonna crash. Oh my god, it's taking a while to enter play mode! What did I do? What did I do? Oh! What the hell? Oh, my hair! Oh, my face! No! This was not a good idea! I knew this was not a good idea! Okay, simple. Okay, let's try limiting distance to see if that does anything. Limit max distance. Okay. Alright. Flowy hair. My hair looks a lot more flowy, doesn't it? Oh my god. Something's not right here with this. You know, it's not, I mean, this does not look good. Something, I mean, it could be because my hair is not really textured in a sense of, like, hair texture. Hold on a moment. Let's take a look at this. If we were to go to my hair, and we go to here, and we type in hair, it's not in here. Where? Materials? Fire materials. white pipe? Okay. This one's more strandy. Let's go here, and replace this with one that's a bit more strandy. Okay, I don't know about that. See, this one's more strand-like, but it's still very... And it gets rid of my signature, antenna. Those five little antenna thingies that I usually have. It is an interesting concept, though, and I'm glad to see that the magical cloth would work with the hair like this, to a degree. Alright, so, end this one. We're not going to use magical cloth for the hair right now. That's not a good idea. The hair gets reverted back, magical cloth. I'm going to go ahead and, turn off this one and turn on the older ones. We've done it for the bones only. But then also, no, I said you can't do it for the boobs, so it's gonna be a no. We also need to set up the colliders on the head. We're not gonna do that for now. That's good enough. What else was there? I guess we could take a look at the code. There was something that needed to be done in the code. To give you an idea what happened. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. Okay, we'll go back here. There are two different programs that were being used and modified. Overtone, which handles text-to-speech, and then Undertone, which handles transcriptions. Now, if we look at Overtone, and we look over here underneath communications, text-to-speech, you see we use text-to-speech, and we use a real-time translator, a TTS voice and a TTS engine. The thing we found out about the engine, oh no, it's in transcription, here it is. This speech engine used for taking text, or taking a voice and turning it into text. This thing fires up at the very beginning. Oh, it's on the wrong screen. Bring it over here. Okay, on segment, awake, here's where it starts up. Start a car routine, load model. Load model. Here's where it goes and it fires up a neural engine. And the neural engine, let's see, where is the code for that? I thought I had it open already up here. Let's get rid of some of these. BTS voice editor. That's going to be necessary soon. YouTube chat. Twitch chat manager. We're going to close out of that. These, we had to make some modifications for those. Audio output enumerator. We're going to get rid of that. Okay, here we go. Got more code up here. There's a speech engine. Okay, so we had the neural, it comes in, it tries to it loads a language model. Well, they say it attempts to load a language model. Where does it handle it? I know that I've seen it in here. Load model. It runs the load model up here and fires off the neural engine. The key to this is it sets the language for this thing. Now, if we were to take this load model and check to see where it's located at in this, Control C, Control F, how many times it's mentioned in here. We need to bring 2 times, which means it only loads the model once, right in the very beginning when it wakes up. That's when it sets up the language model and it... Okay, let's go ahead and me a pick. So here's the problem with this code, is we have a setup in here where we, oh, you know, let me go bring back the code back. Okay. How to explain this? Live chat handler handles all the live chats. This is the coroutine for handling all of the live chats. Goes through each and every chat as it comes in. Checks to make sure it's not a restream bot, and if it is, it removes the message. Because I only want it to appear once. So whatever platform I'm viewing. Comes down here. It checks to see if the language is null. If the object language is null, it will detect the language with a language detector. It will then set the language here. Now, what happens is if the translator is active, let's go into translator. Translator coroutine is constantly running as well, and it's checking for audio clips. Okay, so, how does it get the audio clip? Well, that's where the translator TTS comes into play. This is also constantly running. If the audio clip is blank, it then tries to translate the message. It takes the message in the queue. Make sure it's not a command. And if the language is not my language and the translator is active, it will run this code. Comes down here, gets the language. This Chinese, it will pull. This is for if it's using the Windows. We're going to turn off the Windows. This is for Windows text-to-speech. This is for overtone. Here it goes and checks assets, overtones, resources. Pulls all the files with the end and .bytes. For each one it goes through and it checks to see if one of these languages, one of these files, are matching the language of the language being used. If it finds that file, let's see, if the voice substring is equal to the language, it sets the voice to the file name. Voice is located up here, TTS voice. TTS voice is here. It does nothing up here. There's the voice name, it does nothing. The voice name is not equal to another voice name. Yeah, so it does do something here. The old voice name is not a new voice name. It tries to dispose of the old voice model and set up a TTS voice native. Load from resources. Okay, here's where we're getting somewhere. It goes into load from resources, and it pulls the resources. I can't remember quite well how we were doing this. What I remember is that the voice name was actually a path. Okay, it loads all resources. I'm kind of lost in this. I had figured it out before. It had to do with this right here, changing the application path. Instead of using application path, we use the resource path instead. Resource path, go over to UGBT. Application, streaming assets path. Goes in the speech engine. Speech engine. Wasn't the speech engine? Where the hell was it that we did this? Model language, selected language is English. Okay, yes. Okay, so the translator TTS. It's supposed to set overtones. Yeah, okay, so it's trying to pull assets overtone resources. It's not doing that. It's trying to pull that path. And what we need to do is have it pull from the streaming assets path. So here, let's comment that out. Var path is equal to streaming assets path, and we're going to tack on to the end of that overtone resources. Like that. Okay, so doing that, we're going to take the overtone resources file here, which has all of the voices for overtone. We're going to drop it into the streaming assets path so it gets packed in with the build. Otherwise, it's not getting packed in with the build, and what's happening is it's searching for the wrong folder when it gets built. Okay, let me take a look at the DMs. Coming up, it's there. Oh, you play guitar, neat. Oh, that looks so cool. And there's a laptop there. Is it a ThinkPad? A ThinkPad, it says ThinkPad on it. Isn't that from like the 90s? Do those things still exist? That's pretty cool that you got all the musical equipment. You can make your own music for your games and things like that. Oh! Nicely done. I see. I thought it was professional. Like, okay, so here are all the files for the AI for the text-to-speech. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Wait, hold on. But yet, you should probably open it up and see how big the file is. Because it might not work out the way I want it to. Oops. Why is it pulling up over here? Right-click, show on Explorer. Okay, it's on your screen. Overtone. Resources. Properties. 5 gigabytes. Yeah, what I'm gonna do here, in order not to destroy the file, the file structure, we're going to go ahead and copy the path. Go to streaming assets. We're gonna create a folder in here. Overtone. I can't remember the name of the folder, so we're gonna go ahead and those resources. So it's overtone. Looks like it's spelled right. Okay. I'm just gonna drag the files out of there and into the other one. That way we still have our file structure intact in case it's necessary. Where is it? Streaming assets. Let's open this one up as well. Second here. Okay, overtone. And we're going to resources. Let's copy everything from here. What just happened? Okay, please tell me you're not opening up that file. Oh, good luck to you. I really do hope that works. The only music I've ever released was AI generated. I kid you not, the opening and the closing of my live stream was released on YouTube, YouTube Music. Probably a good 3 to 4 years ago, I think. Even got an album cover. Let me see here. Okay, it's on the wrong screen. Okay, Sabaton, anime playlists. Okay, you know what, let's see. There you go. I got it released over on YouTube a long time ago because they were going to do this forced monetization thing on free channels. Something along those. I can't remember what it was. I wanted a cut. If they were going to put ads on my channel, I wanted a cut. So what I did was I released some audio. I published this, the opening and closing of my live stream, so that my live streams will copyright themselves. The company that handled this will end up automatically copyright striking my videos. So that way YouTube would have to give some of the ad revenue to me. Oh, it was a genius trick. It only worked for a little while though when you change your policies or something along those lines. Not like I really got much anyways. I don't really get too many viewers. I don't get many viewers, so I didn't really get much money. Yes, it's AI generated though. This was generated by AI. It's the opening and closing to the live stream. And just so you know, this cover here, this was a scene built in Unity, and then ran through an AI to give it a more stylistic look to it. Alright, so, what were we doing? Oh yeah, copy. Dang it, of course. Of course it does whatever this is. I just want to select all the items in this file. Just give me all these items in this file. Control copy. Does this, oh no, we don't copy, we just drag. Okay, where is it? I don't remember. Streaming assets, okay, overtone resources. Drag it right into there. Now, this will probably take a little while because it's 5 gigabytes of data. You would think moving from one location to another location on the same hard drive wouldn't take this long, but you never know. Okay, yeah, there we go. We need to make sure that text-to-speech still works. It should still work now that we have it set up to, we asked it to pull from a different location. If not, I got a lot of adjustments that need to be made. What game should I play on Monday? What do you think, Vampy? I'm gonna play a weed game for sure. That's for sure. I'm gonna play a weed game. I should have this one on console. Omega Quartet. Quintet? Omega Quintet. It was Quintet, not Quartet. Oh, it was Quintet 5 and Quartet 4? Yeah, I got this weed game on my console. And I have not played through the entire thing. I don't even remember most of the plot. Just that the main character is a male who ends up running a all-female, what's an all-female thingamabob? Idol group. Who are able to fight off monsters and are the humanity's last hope. Or something like that. You know, it's gotta be weedy. Oh, you know what? One other thing we need to do that we did not set up. Okay, so first, let's go into display 1. Go here. Let's make sure 5 audio listeners. Alright, this is gonna be a problem. If there are 5 audio listeners in the scene, it's going to throw off. It's going to continue throwing off those errors. Camera. It is probably some of the cameras that... Yeah, there we go. It's these new cameras. Have audio listeners. We need to remove them. Animation camera. What is that part of, the variant, 2.5D avatar. Yeah, this one could be removed. We don't need an audio listener on that camera. That's 2 down, so there's 3 more. Okay, you know what, it all has to be on the new avatar. It has to be. That and the 2.0 camera too. So we need to go here, live 2D camera, we need to remove this one. Okay, and then we go up to the avatar on the 2.5. The 2.5 avatar had a bunch of cameras on them as well. There's an audio listener there we can remove. There's an audio listener here, but it looks like it's been removed already. This was before I was setting it up where scripts would add and remove items, so I could... We pull the one off of the 2D. And we pulled that one off already. 2.5D, okay. I think that was them. I need to be able to see the debug log, and that was in the way. After this, what we need to do is get that 2.5D avatar speaking whenever there's a text-to-speech coming in. Alright. Oh, you're over on YouTube too. I need to, in order for this to work on YouTube, I need to go pull a YouTube stream. Okay. It looks like the messages are... Okay. TTS voice native. Line 22. Line 22. Because here it's loading assets from resources. It's loading all text assets. Okay. Well, this is not that hard to fix, I don't think. Speech engine? Then the speech engine, where did we set up where to pull the data from again? It was, here it was. Okay, resource path combined. So I'm gonna pull from these resources. I wonder if this would work. I don't know if this works. It might. No, I'm doubtful that will work. That would be too easy. What we need to do though is pull from the resource path and... Okay. When it says load, what is it actually doing when it loads the asset? Let's take a look at that. Is it just loading the location? Dot load. Unity. See, what's supposed to happen is it'll take everything in the resource folder and it throws all the resources into one big thing. Perhaps if you have resource folders called assets, resources, assets, guns, resources. Path does not need to include assets and resources in a string. For example, loading a game object and assets, guns, resources, shotgun, prefab will only require shotgun as the path. It provides a static. The parameter would be a path to target resource. Loads the asset of the requested type stored at path. Returns the asset path at the path. Static object load. Okay. What if we did this then? Well, concat. Task combine. just delete this part here, type in path, concat. We'll combine the resource path with voice name. Okay, we're gonna name this model path. We'll do the same for config assets. And see if we can just do it this way. If this works. Alright, see you later, Vampy. Good seeing you. Thanks for dropping by the way. I don't get that many viewers. I kind of do this just for fun, so let's try doing this. Load this path like that, and load the config path like this. Let's see what happens. Run it. Alright. Thinking about making concise short devlog so as we'd get more viewers for sure. Yeah, I'm sure they would. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll clear the log and see if there was any kind of syntax errors. There were syntax errors. Path does not exist in the current context. Wait, what? I thought I renamed it. Model. Oh. Wait, what? How does it not exist in the current context? Oh. Wait, what? Wait, how does that even happen? Hold on a moment, something did not... Oh, I know what it is. Because I transplanted that from somewhere else. For a second there, I thought that was supposed to have already been in there. Now, where did path come from? Right here? Path. Where did he get the word path from? Path has got to be a part of a custom thing. Okay, maybe it was one of these up here. Frame expression, system ling, system IO. It might be one of those. Take care. Bye-bye. This one's got system threading, system unity. Okay, we need an engine. So it's gonna probably be one of these other ones here. System IO. Deals with the inputs and outputs. Let's go ahead and add that in. See if that fixes our syntax. Okay, I did fix the syntax. Let's go ahead and boot this up. It's getting close to time to quit. Very close to quitting time. Okay. Undertone loaded the models correctly. overtone scripts. Well, I'll have to check to see where it's trying to load it from. Let's debug it. Debug.log. See what we get out of this. Alright, so let's go into assets. Overtone resources. Maybe it's because I don't have bytes and bytes on that. I need to bring up a there we go. Over to the left. Open up a folder. Where is my other full screen projector? Over here. Let's see what is missing. I think we disconnect this. Resources are empty. Why is it empty? Oh, why is it going to resources still? That's a problem. It should not be pulling from resources anymore. How do we take a look at the code? Application data path. It shouldn't be data path, that's why. We're not going to the data path. We're instead trying to use the, instead trying to use the streamed assets path. Where the hell is the... There it is. I will find it, okay. Let's drag it over like this. Alright, it should be in here. How are you not finding it? C-A-E-S. How are you not finding it? It's right there. Oh no? Wait a minute. Aura medium. Aura dash medium. Aura dash medium. Right there. There's the file. How are you not finding the fucking file? $27. This is what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. Okay, voice name, swap, that bite, that bite, how, is it because resources.load is not pulling? Still trying to look for a load and look for this. Oh. From the path, it doesn't matter. Okay. Model assets. Config assets. Let's change these to bar and see what happens. Okay, let's see if that works. Can't wait for this thing to get set on fire. Yep, it broke everything. It did not work. string does not contain a definition for byte. $37 and $38. Alright, so yeah, that's not gonna work either. We need to get a load on this without using resource load. Maybe I had to go look through and find out what best practices are. Because maybe I'm doing this all wrong. Above all this because it's boring. I go number 3. Let's try the sweet resource system. Don't use it. Okay. So not recommended to use it. Of course it's not recommended to use it. Okay, well, I don't know. We have to pull the data from the file. We have to do a file IO and read the data in it, but I don't know. I'm gonna check in the asset bundles. Having his own asset bundles in like forever. It was necessary for VR chat for a specific thing that I was working on before. But it's been a long time. I don't know how to use it anymore. Alright, well... Okay, we're already at the end of the live stream, so we'll just call it a day for now. And that'll be it. trying to use acid bundles. What if... Who did that? Huh. Alright, that's it for our broadcast. If you got any fan art you'd like to submit it into our Discord. Links in the About section at the bottom of any platform you're viewing this from. We'll put it in the upper right-hand corner at the end of every live stream. Give a shout out to our top 10 contributors and subscribers. Thank you, Vampy Frog, for coming in and visiting for a little while. Appreciate that. Yeah, I got a little bit done today. I gotta get my text-to-speech working and try to make it so it works after you compile it. I'll be back again on Monday. I think by that point I should have everything worked out and we should be able to play Omega Quintet from a console. Anyways, have a great night. We'll see you then.